Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to export a board in Trello. First, log in with your credentials. If it's your first time, click Sign Up and follow the on-screen instructions. Exporting your board is useful for backup, sharing information, or analyzing data outside Trello. Regularly exporting ensures you have a backup in case of accidental deletion or if the board becomes inaccessible. To export a board, first create one if you haven't already. You can give it a title or keep the template's default title. Choose the visibility, private, workspace, or public. And you can also start with a template to make it easier. I'll use a remote class template from the education section. Create my board. Now to export, go to the three dots, scroll down, and click on Power-Ups. Search for Board Export and click Add. Follow the instructions, sign in with Trello, and click Allow to authorize access. You'll see an option called Board Export. You can select what data to export, lists, cards, etc., and choose a format, PDF, PNG, CSV, or Excel. You can also remove any irrelevant parts before exporting. Exporting your board allows you to access your Trello data offline, which is very useful when traveling or in areas with poor internet. It's also a valuable feature for strategic and operational needs. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.